To all my new subscribers, you are not exempted from the list. You guys are really do appreciated, and if you What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Inspirational Shan Makeup channel, and of course it is your girl Shan, and I am back with another banger makeup tutorial. Yes, as you all can see, tell me a girl is slaying. Tell me I did that face right. Yes, face beat, slayed up and everything. However, guys, before I get into the makeup tutorial, you know I have to give my speech of appreciation / gratitude. Yes, I just want to say a big thank you to all my supporters, yes, that take it and make it their responsibility in helping me to build this platform. Without you guys, and I'm not being redundant here, without you guys I would not have a platform. You understand? So I have to show you guys all the respect, all the love and the appreciation that is well deserving and due to all of you guys. Yes, especially to my day one supporters. Yes, I really do love you guys with everything in me. So by way of announcement, guys, as you all, some of you might be aware that I am above 4K, that is 4,000 watch hours, and you know that I am above 1K subscribers, thus making me reaching the threshold of monetization. No, don't get me wrong, being able to make money on YouTube is very good. It's a very good idea to establish your business and so on and so forth, but please remember, I did not do YouTube based on money. I do YouTube based on my passion. Makeup is my passion. Makeup is what uplifts my spirit. I remember speaking to a friend the other day. Yeah, big up yourself, Shanika Turner, big up your nice clean self. You were there when, even before I was pregnant, but you were there at the launch of this channel. You are the person that I could talk to about anything and so on and so forth. So yeah, big up your nice clean self. You told me to talk about this. When I created my channel, I did not know how to do makeup, but I came out by faith. However, I'm just going to go fast because you know this is an introduction, or maybe I should just turn it into a you know, a motivational speech. Anyways, so as I was saying, when I started my channel, I did not know how to do makeup. I did not know how to put a perfect video together, but with the help of God, determination and supporting baby father and a good friend, yes, guys, sorry about that. I had some storage problem on my phone, so I had to pause that video and go, you know, delete some stuff. So as I was saying, with the help of God and a supporting background, my baby father, you know, I was able to push through this channel. It has not been easy, however it is a rewarding process. So if you are thinking about doing a channel, doing YouTube, go for it, but do condition your mind to condition your mind about the hard work. And when you meet those hills, those mountains, do not give up. Yes, take a minute, take a breather, you know, take a few weeks and just blow off and just come back again. But I'm saying all of that to say this, that I did not create YouTube with the mindset of just earning. I created YouTube in order to bring out that passion, that drive of doing makeup. You understand? To someday become a professional makeup artist, because you know it brings out inner beauty, and you know I think that I will do a phenomenal job in this field. Yes, so that is why I did this channel. However, as time went on, based on the decision making between my baby father and I, we have decided to not only do makeup on the channel, we will be branching off on other stuff as suggested in previous videos. So guys, put a stop to that. I just want to say thank you so much. I am above 13,000 subscribers at the moment. Who could it be but God? To all my new subscribers, you are not exempted from the list. You guys are really do appreciated, and if you are just a visitor on this channel, or perchance you may come across a video, do not hesitate to check out the video, see if it is something that you like. If it is not something that you like and you know of others that may be interested in my craft, don't hesitate to bring them over. Myself and my YouTube family, we are happy to have you guys. We will welcome you. Yes, help you guys to feel welcome. And that. So just if you come across and you're not interested, just bring across a message to others. However, on the other hand, if you are seeing something, or if you saw something on the channel that you like, and it entice you, and you're a young girl and you want to beat up a face nice when you go out and all these things, you can feel free to just like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I, your girl Shan, upload a new upload a new video on our channel. Now let me see what else. Yes, I'm going to shout out a few persons. So as usual, God first. Him have to be the first person on the list. Big up God, big up the man upstairs. Without you, none of this would be possible. Secondly, to myself, then to my baby father and my son. He is the man behind the camera, but not to worry, he will be on the channel soon. Yes. I want to also take the time out to shout out Claude Williams. Yes, my uncle, big up your nice clean self. You're not on the island at the moment, but wherever you are, do have yourself a wonderful and productive day. Also, big up, I'm just gonna call out a few persons. Yeah, big up Sheldon, my co-worker. Yeah, big up a nice clean self. You subscribed to the channel a few weeks ago, and it has been nothing but love, motivation. Yeah, big up the security at the gate. I don't remember your name, but I'll be including your name in another video of mine. So big up a nice clean self. Always ask for like makeup tutorial, what on the channel. Like, come on guys, I'm working, otherwise I have a life. I'm tired. But you guys wish is my command. So yeah, me big up Claude, me big up Sheldon, me big up the security. Mustard seed. Where else with a big up? Nick, big up a nice clean self. I am sorry about your loss, but do know that God is there with you and He knows best. And to all the other persons that always comment on my videos, thank you so much. I love you all. Enjoy your day, make it productive, and remember, it is not too late for you to go for that which you want. Once you have life, you have opportunity. You understand? You have the chance to go and explore, to create a new beginning, a new chapter. So do not give up on yourself, because once you are breathing, that is a symbol or a sign that God has not given up on you and He is not through with you as yet. So yes, I'm just gonna do this as a little chit chat video, and I'm going to do my introduction for the makeup tutorial. So until my next upload, bye. I love you all. And if you have any suggestion on what video I should do, kind of makeup I should do, don't hesitate to comment down below. Bye.